So first up, tools you need: a simple 5mm Allen key. I don't know if you can see right here. It's 5mm Allen key. They didn't write it. It's a cheap dollar store Allen key. Works anyway. 5mm Allen key, or if you prefer and you're more confident using these, this is not 5, but these 3/8, they're always more reliable. You just pound them in, make your shit secure. If you're using the Allen key, you get a small wrench. You I don't know if I can hold this. If you're mechanically inclined or you're used to it, you just use this as what do you call it? Leverage on it. You stick it in the hole, something like that. Hard to show you what I'm talking about when I'm holding the phone with one hand. Anyway, you stick it in there, something like that. You get leverage if it's a little bit too tight. And your best friend, some people say, oh, buy the tool to take these what do you call it? These connectors out. It's a little bit dark. Shed some light on the situation. Yeah, there you have it. That's the sensor right there, ABS sensor. It's on the knuckle, right where your steering knuckle is. And it goes into the hub there about. Yeah, so those clips that I'm focusing the light on, they're kind of hard to get out sometimes, but with these little picks, got it from a dollar store. It's no sweat. They get them out real easy all the time. Just stick it in. It's kind of dark. There we go. Just stick it in there. Like so. Watch this. No expensive Audi Volkswagen tools required. Stick it in.